All right, today we're talking about service of process. I know this is not the most interesting topic, but it is important. If you screw this up, it's going to cost you a lot of money and a lot of time. So it's really important to pay attention to make sure you get this right. There are 3 different ways you can do service of process in Illinois, and we're going to cover those next. Before we get into the service of process, a quick recap. Think about your case like a trip across the country. We're going to start in New York. You're going to end up in Los Angeles. First thing you're going to do is file your petition. Then we're going to get into service of process. You can complete service of process 3 different ways. We like to refer to them as the easy way, the hard way, and then default. The first way is the easy way. That's where they waive formal service of process. In our office, we put together a letter outlining the other side's options so they know what they can do to waive service of process. All right, the benefits of doing it the easy way? Well, it's the easy way for a reason. It makes your case go much smoother. You don't have to pay for a process server. Plus, it saves the other side of embarrassment of being formally served by papers at a random time. All right, the hard way means that we've got to do formal service of process. This means that you have to get a process server or the sheriff to go out and formally serve the adverse party with the papers. This means that you're also going to have to pay the expense associated with getting that person served these papers. In addition, it's going to set up for a more adversarial process because you don't know when they're going to get served. And that actually might cause some problems if they get served in an embarrassing manner and they turn around and start off the case upset. The third way is default. This happens very rarely because this means both option 1 and option 2 failed. You have to do everything you can to find the person to give them legal notice of the case. That's what service of process is. It's letting them know that they have the right to show up in court and represent themselves, or at least assert their rights. So you have to go through a variety of steps to say that you tried to find them. And if you still can't find them, you can publish in a newspaper, giving them formal notice. If you ever look at a newspaper, there's that one little section that everybody looks past, but it says legal notices. That's publication. So if you can't find them, eventually you can publish in a newspaper, and that's good enough so you can move forward with your divorce. I know this is tedious, but these are the things that people mess up, and you don't want to be one of those people. There is a way to get this stuff done, and we can help you. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below, and you can have all of our information about the process of your case.